Hey guys, Paula here. So you can see I do a lot of different cuttings as well as things from seeds. I don't do a whole bunch, but I do have some, and I prefer to go ahead and actually use the Dram Breaker 400. So this one, that is actually this one here on this handy wand. You can see what it looks like. This is actually about 2.5, maybe even 3 inches wide, but it's perfect because when you need to actually get a smaller breaker head, you can actually go ahead and put it on this one, because this actually will unscrew. So I like using a wand when I'm watering because I don't have to get super close, and you can see how it will go ahead and distribute the water fairly easily and not knock all of my soil all over the place when I'm needing to water. So this is going to be the Dram shut-off valve, the Dram handy reach. This one here is actually going to be a 24-inch. You can see how long it is. And then, of course, your Dram 400 breaker head. Thanks for watching, guys. You have a great day.